Hey guys, Swisher Family Farm here. How's it going today? We are doing our very first road trip on our channel. I can't wait. Me and Amy need some decompressed time. We need some time that we can relax. We also got Grandpa coming with us. He wants to do it also. So stay tuned. It's coming up in just a few minutes. Alright guys, we're here to our destination. We're at a blueberry farm not too far away from our homestead. Of course, I told you this is Grandpa was going with us. His name's George, he's here. Now we're going to get to picking some blueberries. And let me tell you, they are really good. They're really good. So, let's get going. Hey guys, so check this out, right? Something you might not know about blueberries is this. So you'll see how they're growing here. See how small they are? Well, when you get a good rain, that's the size of a blueberry you can get. Let me tell you, it's good. Sweet. Oh yeah. Oh man. There's so much blueberry flavor in that. Oh yeah.
This place is called Highlands Farms, and there's just rows and rows and rows of blueberries. Some of them, this one's been picked clean. I don't know if it's by the birds or other people, but this one down here looks good. These aren't quite ready yet. But you can see, I mean, there's a lot of blueberries on there.
Alright guys, so if you're ever at a blueberry farm and you're picking blueberries, a lot of people just go up and they just pull. You don't have to pull with ripe blueberries. With ripe blueberries, what you should do is just take your hand. Let me find a good patch. This would be a good patch right here. Just take your hand and gently, real gently, just kind of pull them like that. If they're right perfectly, they'll fall right off. If they're not, they still need some more time. You know, see what I mean? See how I grab a section like this, and I'm doing it real light with my hands. They're not falling off. That's how much I picked so far. So, I got a few ones I don't want, but I just go up real gentle. If they just fall right off, they're right, they're ready to go. See, those are ripe. There's a big section here. So I'll just rub them together. That's what came off. Those are what's right. Yep. There's more over here.
Okay.
See, we're getting there, but we're getting there. Dad's over there. You can't see him that well. He's hiding. He's hiding in the bush. There he is. Look at these blueberries. Absolutely beautiful. Can't ask for much more than that.